How to share Facebook page link. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can share your Facebook page link, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to share your Facebook page link, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch your Facebook app, it really depends upon whether you're talking about your own page or someone else's page. So let's say it is someone else's page and then you want to share this page. You need to go to their page's profile, tap the three dots option here and just copy the link here, and then you'll be able to send this link to your friends or whoever else. But if it is your own page, what you have to do is you can either also search for your page in the search box, or you can just try to switch to that page by just tapping on it and switching to a certain page here. Once it's switched to your page's page, well, you're gonna land on this page where you have to come to the profile page. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the three dots here, and similarly again you'll just find the copy link option. Make sure to copy the link and share it with your friends. This way you can share Facebook page link. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.